Hey guys, come join us on this week's podcast where we talk about the current topics this week. See you there.
Hey guys, come down to our digital design this week. We'll be learning how to design typography. It will be great for your logos. See you there.
Ever get scared performing in front of people? Well, come on down to our stage Fright this week, where we're going to be doing improv games, performing in front of others.
What's up, guys? This week's Robotics Revolution workshop, we're going to be learning about different robots, how to use them, how to program them so that they can interact with one another. So come through, bring your friend, bring your mother, bring your grandmother. I want to see them all here, all right?
You guys make sure you come out to my workshop where we're going to be practicing for performing for our record label workshop.
What's up, guys? I'm coming back here again with a double whammy, all right? This week's film crew workshop, we're going to learn about J-cuts and L-cuts. What is that? You're going to find out when we come and do this workshop, all right? Peace.